Hi, I'm Chris Parker with Command Comfort, and oftentimes I'm asked about heating and air conditioning wall units. So a typical heating and air conditioning wall unit looks like this. And typically, these types of air conditioning units are installed either in a window or even actually framed in through the wall. They have the option to cool a room only, or you can actually heat and cool a room too. Now the cooling only system is of course slightly less expensive than the one that heats and cools. They're typically indistinguishable from one another. The main difference really is internal. If you want a heating and air conditioning wall unit, you have two options. The first is a heat pump. This type of system is great and uses refrigerant really to move the heat around and transfer the heat. The other uses an electronic heat strip kit. Now they can be more expensive to operate depending on the climate that you live in, but generally they'll heat the room up a bit quicker than a heat pump. Another thing to keep in mind is the power source available. Almost all of these units, they're going to come with a standard 120 volt receptacle, but the more powerful systems, the heating and cooling ones, they'll require a dedicated 240 volt circuit, so it's important to know that before purchasing. Now, these systems can work really well for small spaces if you're on a tight budget. The downside is that they can be loud, mainly due to the fact that the compressor, the part that makes the noise really, it's right inside the unit, so therefore it's really right inside your room. They also tend to lack in really good quality air filtration. Now, you can find these air conditioning units any home improvement center or even online. But you may want to think about a new ductless system. They're quiet, they clean the air better than almost anything else, and they can be installed without the need for using up one of your windows. Anyways, I'm Chris Parker, and that's a little bit about heating and air conditioning wall units. If you have any questions or need some more information, give me a call.
Command Comfort. Climate control for life.